Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss a tutorial how to blur the beginning of a video using the VN Video Editor application. But before that, please subscribe to my channel first and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest videos. Okay, first of all, open and create a new project in the VN Video Editor app. Then import your video into it. Next, tap your video. Then add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Find and open the blur menu. Select the basic effect. Then set the blur level as desired. Here the entire video will be blurry. As for just blurring the beginning, tap your video again. Determine where in the video the blur effect will end. Then add one more keyframe. Go back to the blur menu. Then set the blur level to 0. So here the blur effect has been successfully applied, only to the beginning of the video. If you feel that the blur effect still looks insufficient, you can increase the blur level again at the first keyframe point. And done. Those are the steps to make the beginning of the video blurry in the VN Video Editor app. Easy, isn't it? So, I hope this video is useful. And thank you for watching.